Do you want to see accounts you don't follow back on Instagram? You can find and follow back someone on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to see accounts you don't follow back on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To see accounts you don't follow back on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. At the top of the profile screen, you will see posts, followers, and following. Among these, tap on the followers count at the top of your profile. Here, you will see all the people who follow you. At the top of the followers list, you will see a categories section. Under this section, find and tap on accounts you don't follow back. Now, you will be able to see a list of accounts that follow you but you don't follow back. From here, you can follow back the person or remove them from your followers list. To follow back, tap on the follow button next to the person's name. If you want to remove them from your followers list, tap on the remove button. By following these simple steps, you can easily identify accounts who follow you but you don't follow back on Instagram.